By the way, I do not have the rights to the music in the background, okay? Hey guys, I believe I have a video on this car already. This is a BMW 2019 330i, and this third brake light cover, okay, has something I believe I already mentioned, but I'm not sure, so I'm gonna mention again. When you're removing this cover, okay, please make sure you get a tool that will go inside over here, and you push that out of the way. When you're bringing the cover down, you need to push that out of the way, okay? If not, you're gonna break this little thingamajig. And there's two, okay, one in each side, so make sure you take that off. And when you're putting it back, it's very easy. You just slide this part over here on top. Okay, there is a slot there for it already, and it goes back just like that. Very easy, okay? Good luck for you guys. Bye-bye.